Hello, this is our project GPS enabled bus tracking system. It is a mobile application in which we have created an app in which we can see the location of our bus, live location of our bus. When a bus driver enables his location, then a student can log in and see the exact location of the bus in the maps. In this application, we have used Android Studios and Kotlin language to develop this, and we have integrated Google APIs in which we can see the maps in which a bus is located. Over to you, Mohit.
This was the basic introduction of our application. So let's move forward with the functionality at the backend. So our application have five fragments. The first is login fragment. Then from login fragment, we have three fragments: information fragment, driver fragment, and buses fragment. From buses fragment, we can go to the student fragment where the location on the map will be shown to the students. So we here we have the login format, a login fragment where we here we can see that here we will add the buses along with their coordinates which are predefined for the college address as and this is done so that the predefined location of the bus will be at the college itself. And here we have provided the authentication for the bus driver and the students to log in with the password given here. And also we have created an object DAO for the database. DAO stands for Database Access Object. Using this, we will give the access to our database. Here we have used SQLite database. Now let's move to the uh, drivers fragment. Here in this fragment, we have two parts where since the driver will log in and he will share his location. So in this first part, we can see that we have a function which will retrieve the location of the driver on just a single click of the button. Here we will get the latitude and the longitude of the driver, and this information will be saved in the database with the help of this function where this will update the location of the bus along with the name of the bus and the latitude and the longitude of the bus. So after this now, as soon as a student logs in, he or they will see the list of buses on their page. So this code here represents all the buses which are available in the database, and it will show a list of the buses to the student. As soon as a student will click on the bus, then they will be able to see the location of the bus. In order to show the location of the bus, we have used this code over here, which will take the latitude and longitude of the bus from the database with reference to the bus name given selected by the student, and then with the help of this marker option and move camera, we will mark the marker on the map at the exact location which is set by the student. So this is all about the backend functioning of the application, and here over here we have the code for which we have written for the database. So in order to define all the buses, for example, get all buses, get all students. So these are the queries we have written to set up the database. And over here in the left side, we can see the XML files which we have used to design the layout of the application. So, guys, let's move forward with the demonstration of our project. Let's see the project now. This is the landing screen. We here first of all the bus driver will log in with the bus ID bus A, and he will enter his password. As soon as he log in, he will be asked to enable sharing his location. So he will click on this button and then he will be logged out. After that, a student will log in. Student, let's suppose student A wants to log in. He will enter his password and he will log in. So as soon as he log in, he will be able to see the list of the buses available. So as we have set the location of the bus, as we can see the location of the bus right now, as it's showing my personal home's location. And now let's get back. And for example, if the location of a bus is not shared, then the student will click on bus C, for example. So here it can see that it's showing the location of the college itself, which means that the bus is not moving and it is parked at the college campus. So this is how the app works, and also we have any helpline button over the top right corner, clicking on which we will be redirected to this page where we will have the contact numbers for various helplines. So that's it, guys. Thank you very much for this opportunity.